Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. um, I'm back again with another video of the 24 days of Christmas, and today I am opening my 25th gift from Nada. She's such a giving person. I want to thank her so much for all these wonderful gifts, and this one was amazing, and I wanted to share what I got from her. So if you know Nada, she loves to make boxes. Boxes is her thing. And this box is amazing, and she really goes over and beyond, her creativity every single time. And um, she just moved from Puerto Rico to New Jersey just recently. And in the shipping, the box that she had made me in Puerto Rico kind of got damaged, and so she quickly made a new one. I was like, oh my gosh. If you see this box, you'll understand why. It's not just a normal box. Okay, I'm going to show you all the way around. It's amazing. This paper is just gorgeous. Okay, so there's goodies in here, but I do want to share the construction of this box. So when you open it, it has a little Velcro, and then these two compartments, and then it slides out. Look at that! And then it has more goodies on the bottom. So, oh my gosh, it's amazing. And I had filmed this earlier, and I forgot to show that bottom piece. And so let me redo this. She gave me a resin piece, this beautiful dress. I never got into resin. I don't want to get into resin. She made me let me bring you down a little bit. She made me a ATC card with these beautiful butterflies, and it says, "Start each day with a grateful heart." Isn't that sweet? Oh my gosh. She made me a Polaroid embellishment, and it looks like she used her corrugated, that thing that you crank. And it's just so adorable. So adorable. She made me another embellishment because I do love bears. This is adorable. I'm going to put this right over here because I love it so much. Okay, she made me some more resin pieces. Look at this teapot. I love this, and I think there's like a fairy in the background, some feathers. Oh my gosh. Then she, with the paper from the last box, she included all these beautiful tags so I can use them. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Love everything in this box. Oh my gosh. She added this Paris charm, and I absolutely love it. She has this little pocket tag with a gorgeous girl and a butterfly, and here's the tag in the pocket. So cute. Here is a oh, what do you call it? A bookmark with a charm. I love these. So pretty. She made me a gorgeous girl domino. Oh, I love this one. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Okay. She made me another embellishment, a little purse. Isn't that cute? I'm going to put this on this side. And then another altered paper clip with almost the same bear with the beautiful, cute, adorable bow. Let me see if I can focus. Well, maybe I can't because it's too close. But let's see if it will focus. There it is. Isn't she sweet? And it says happy birthday. Let me unfocus her. Focus it. She made me another charm with a bottle cap, and I can put my own image in here. Oh my gosh, look at this little dress charm. It's so cute. Okay. Then she made me some tiles. Oh my gosh, and look at that gorgeous girl. Oh my gosh. So she made me a ton of tiles. And these are made with thick chipboard too. Oh my gosh. Love that. And then she made me another book page envelope with, I love these bears, and away we go, and it's just so adorable. Love it. And then here is, she printed on that paper that I mentioned before. And then there's a Eiffel Tower charm in it. It is so cute. And then this one is a little envelope, and it has, I think these are 1-inch circles. I could be wrong. But she has punched out some circles for me. I could put it probably, if I can get one, in my bottle cap here. And I can pick whichever image I want for my bottle cap. Isn't that cool? Thank you, Nada. You're so sweet. Okay, and so I'm going to put everything back in this box because this is going to be my Nada embellishment box. I need to put her other embellishments she's made me over the years. And then you open it up. I love this part. She's made me some beautiful flowers. Amazing. Here are some more images that she's printed out. Oh gosh, look how cute she is. Oh, and I love how she cuts them out with her dye and then she inks it around. Isn't that cute? Or is that a printout? I don't know. So I love those images. And then here are some more printed paper, and it looked like she's tea dyed them with a big butterfly. And then here's another one. Look at that. This one is really shimmery. I don't know if it's gonna, oh, there it is. Yeah, it's really shimmery. And here's another one. I love that picture of the roses. And it says, sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. That's the truth. And then here's another one with this beautiful Eiffel Tower and stamp. I don't know if she stamped this or she printed it. It could be either one. But it is so precious. And then you close it up, and gotta make sure I get this at the right. And there it is. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you, Nada. I love everything you've made me. Oh my gosh. And I will wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Be safe, and have fun. And I will see you guys maybe in the new year. And let's hope that the new year is a better year, because we will all remember 2020. So thanks everyone. Have a great holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.